30 years ago, NASA said climate change was real. Here's how much worse it is now. On June 23, 1988, top NASA scientist James Hanson dropped a bombshell. He told American politicians that global warming wasn't on its way. It was already here. Rice University historian Douglas Brinkley says Hanson's testimony to Congress was the opening salvo of the age of climate change. 30 years on, the effects are visible and measurable everywhere on this planet. Earth's annual temperature has risen 0.54 degrees Celsius according to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. Polar regions have lost billions of tons of ice, sea levels have been raised by trillions of gallons of water. The biggest change over the last 30 years, which is most of my life, is that we're no longer thinking just about the future, said Kathy Dello, a climate scientist at Oregon State University in Corvallis. Climate change is here, it's now, and it's hitting us hard from all sides. The northern hemisphere has warmed more than the southern, the land faster than the ocean. Climate scientists point to the Arctic as the place where climate change is most noticeable, with dramatic sea ice loss, a melting Greenland ice sheet, receding glaciers and thawing permafrost. The Arctic has warmed twice as fast as the rest of the world. Ice sheets in Greenland and West Antarctica have shriveled, melting about 455 billion tons of ice into water, according to the NASA satellite. That's enough water to cover the state of Georgia in water nearly 9 feet deep. And it is enough, coupled with all the other melting ice, to raise the level of the seas. Overall, NASA satellites have shown 3 inches of sea level rise in just the past 25 years. With more than 70% of the Earth is covered by oceans, a 3-inch increase means about 6,500 cubic miles of extra water. Moment abused bear feels sunshine for the first time in years. British glamour model reveals how she was recruited by ISIS on Facebook. Panic on the tube after explosion that was caused by battery short circuit 30 years ago. We may have seen this coming as a train in the distance, says Dick Arndt, NOAA's climate monitoring chief in Asheville, North Carolina. The train is in our living room now.